How to create sub account on Bybit step by step. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can um, create a standard sub account on Bybit. So first of all, log into your Bybit main account and click on sub account under the profile icon as you can see here. And after that, you have to click on create a sub account from here, create sub account, and after that you have to select the type of sub account you would like to create. For a standard sub account, you will only be required to enter username without password settings. In this case, you can only log into the sub account via account switch from main account. If you want to log in via the login page, you can set a password afterwards. For custom sub account, you need to create a password upon setting, and you can log in via their login page. To allow an instant account switch from main account, you need to manually enable the account switch features like this one. And the custodial trading sub account is not a standard sub account, as it allows investors to entrust their funds to professional trading teams for asset management. You can learn more about this account type in Bybit official introduction to custodial trading sub account options. And after that, select the type of sub account you wish to open and enter your preferred username and password if needed, like it shows right here. And once the sub account is created, it will not be possible to change the sub account username. You have successfully created a standard sub account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.